In the realm of religion and spirituality, individuals have sought to understand the will of a higher power since time immemorial. For many, this quest for divine guidance comes in the form of exploring sacred texts, such as the Bible, Quran, or Bhagavad Gita. Scripture serves as a roadmap, shedding light on God's plan for humanity and providing insights into the mysteries of life. Through the study and interpretation of these texts, believers strive to unravel the divine plan and navigate life's journey with God. The divine plan, how Scripture sheds light on God's will. Scripture offers a glimpse into God's will and purpose for humanity. It serves as a guiding light, providing answers to life's profound questions. Through narratives, parables, and teachings, the divine plan becomes clearer, allowing individuals to align their lives with God's intentions. For example, the Bible outlines the 10 Commandments, which serve as moral guidelines for believers. These principles offer an ethical framework that helps individuals understand and live in accordance with God's will. Scripture as a guide, unraveling God's plan for humanity. As believers delve into sacred texts, they often discover a tapestry of wisdom that unravels the intricate details of God's plan for humanity. From the stories of creation to the prophecies of the future, Scripture acts as a guide, illuminating the path towards a deeper understanding of God's purpose. In the Quran, for instance, Muslims find guidance on how to live a righteous life through the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad. By following these instructions, adherents believe they can align themselves with God's ultimate plan, unveiling God's will, decoding the mysteries of Scripture. The mysteries embedded within sacred texts have captivated scholars and believers alike for centuries. Through diligent study and contemplation, individuals strive to unravel the enigmatic aspects of Scripture to gain insight into God's will. These mysteries often require careful interpretation, and different schools of thought may arise. Yet, the pursuit of understanding remains a common goal, as believers seek to uncover the divine plan hidden within the pages of their respective holy books. Unearthing the divine plan, insights from sacred texts. Sacred texts offer a wealth of insights into the divine plan. From the teachings of Jesus in the New Testament to the wisdom of the Buddha in the Pali Canon, these texts provide profound revelations that enable believers to navigate their lives with purpose and meaning. Through reflection and meditation, individuals can tap into the profound wisdom contained within these texts, unearthing valuable lessons and guidance that can shape their understanding of God's will for their lives and the world. Divine revelation, unlocking God's purpose through Scripture. Many believers consider Scripture to be a divine revelation, a direct communication from a higher power to humanity. They perceive these texts as sacred and believe that they carry the truest representation of God's will. By immersing themselves in Scripture, believers hope to unlock the mysteries of God's purpose and find clarity in their own lives. The act of reading and reflecting on these texts becomes a spiritual practice, fostering a deep connection between individuals and the divine. Scripture's significance, navigating life's journey with God. For those seeking guidance and meaning in life, Scripture offers a compass to navigate the complexities of the human experience. It provides solace during times of uncertainty and direction when faced with difficult choices. By turning to Scripture, individuals can find strength, wisdom, and guidance as they embark on their journey with God. As believers continue to explore and interpret these sacred texts, they find themselves better equipped to align their lives with God's will, bringing them closer to a purposeful existence. The power of Scripture in unraveling the divine plan. The study and interpretation of Scripture hold immense significance for believers across various faith traditions. These sacred texts serve as a guide, unveiling God's will and purpose for humanity. Through diligent study, reflection, and interpretation, individuals can decode the mysteries embedded within these texts, unearthing insights and guidance that shape their understanding of God's plan. By embracing the teachings contained within Scripture, believers can navigate life's journey with a sense of purpose and direction, forging a deeper connection with the divine. As we continue to explore the power of Scripture, we unveil the timeless wisdom that lies within, inviting us to live in alignment with God's will and purpose.